Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're new here, my name is Lizzie and I talk about all things feminine, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, you name it. If you're into that type of thing, then feel free to subscribe. Today, I am sharing another fragrance video. These are some of my very favorites, and I know that you all love fragrances as well, so I'm really excited about it. Today's fragrance is going to be Parfums de Marly's latest and greatest. Is their newest fragrance, Vuh-LIE-uh. And I have not smelled this yet. I always like to do it on camera whenever I am smelling new fragrances because I want to share my honest thoughts and I want what you see to be authentic. So I'll be sharing my thoughts on the packaging and the bottle, and then I'll be doing a scent test as well. If you want to see more of my fragrance collection, then I will leave a link to that below. I have tons of fragrances, and if you love feminine fragrances specifically, then I think that you will really enjoy that video. I've also reviewed pretty much the entire Parfums de Marly feminine fragrance collection and their entire Delina collection. Delina is my absolute favorite fragrance of all time. I would say it is probably my signature fragrance. I just love it. So I will leave both of those videos below if you want to check it out. And if you are looking for men's fragrances, I did a review recently of 2 of their men's fragrances, a first for me. And yeah, if you want to see that, then I will leave that for you right here. So let's go ahead and get into the video. When it comes to fragrances, especially ultra feminine fragrances, I find Parfums de Marly to be one of my absolute favorites. And what I really love about them is that they not only have very unique fragrances and really put a lot of thought into the notes, but they also put a lot of thoughts into the packaging. And I feel like their packaging is so spot on with the feeling of the fragrance. So when you smell the fragrance, I feel like me as a person, I always get some kind of feeling with it. And I feel like their packaging, the color, the bottle, literally everything just meshes really well together. The packaging on this one is very white. So it has this really beautiful like silver logo on the box, and inside, it has this really gorgeous like velvety interior. It's so nice. It's very, very luxe. And the bottle itself is kind of like a frosted white. So online it looks very white, but it's actually clear with a frosted exterior. It's very, very beautiful. It reminds me of Delina La Rosée with the bottle, and actually I have that one. So you can see a better look at that. This one is a pink bottle, and then this one is a white bottle. So just looking at it at first glance, it looks very light and airy and very feminine and elegant, and it has kind of like an ethereal quality about it. It's very, very pretty, and I love that the bottle is very luxe looking. It looks like something that you would see on a princess's vanity. It's very, very regal looking, and even the cap is just really beautiful. It has this kind of like a little rhinestone in the middle. It's really stunning. And I love this little tassel detail as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a sniff and let you know what I think. Oh, wow. I can already smell it. Okay, let me wait a few seconds. Wow, that is very fragrant. Ooh. Okay, that is really nice. It smells very citrusy upon the first spritz. It smells almost like orange or mandarin. It's very like summer in Italy smelling. And now it is transforming almost into a floral. So it's a very fruity, very florally. It's really, really pretty. So nice. The thing that I really like about Parfums de Marly is that their fragrances take you on a journey. You could smell it within the first minute and it would change so much. So now I'm getting less of the fruit and more of a floral scent. not really like roses, but more of like a white floral. And then also like woodsy undertones, kind of like a florally, sandy type of scent. This is very pretty. It's very pretty. Wow, I really love it. So I feel like this would be an ideal fragrance for spring and summer. It's very florally, but also very fruity. There's some woodsy undertones. It's really, really pretty. This would be a really nice wedding day scent. It's very feminine. It's very romantic. It does have that ethereal quality about it. And you know those perfume commercials where you have someone running in this beautiful like tulle chiffon gown? There's sunshine and flowers and it's just really beautiful. That's what it reminds me of. It's very much like a perfume ad perfume. It's very beautiful. It's not overwhelming. It's really nice, really light, but somehow very fragrant at the same time. I feel like this is a perfume that you would get a lot of compliments on. And I feel that even though you could wear it for a special occasion, I do feel like this would be a nice everyday fragrance as well. It really does have that quality to where it can become a fragrance that you could wear for a day or a night, any occasion. Very, very pretty. So let's go ahead and look at the notes. Okay, so I'm looking at the Parfums de Marly website for the notes, and there's a few that I can't pronounce, so bear with me. So the top notes for Valaya are bergamot, mandarin, and white peach. The heart notes are orange flower, nympheal, and vetiver. Base notes are akagala wood, amberfix, and musk. Interesting. So I definitely got the mandarin and the orange flower. The peach, I can smell it now. Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah, I don't really get a musky scent from this. I would say definitely like fruity, floral, woodsy. Very, very pretty. It's very soft and airy and pure and feminine, and honestly it reminds me of sunshine. When I smell it, it's just like the most beautiful, beautiful scent. And yeah, it just reminds me of like feeling rays of sunshine on your skin and frolicking about in a flower field. And to be honest, those are like my favorite types of scents. So yeah, I really like this one overall. I don't know, like I am in love with this one. This is a top contender for me, probably up there with Delina. I really, 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 really love it. Also, they say best time to wear all day long from morning to evening. So yeah, I do think that this is a great all day scent. I'm not sure about longevity as this is my very first time wearing it. Typically the lighter scents don't last as long on me, and I think that's true for a lot of people. I think that La Rosé lasts about 8 hours on me, so I'm thinking that this will probably be the same. I'll even update down in the description once I've worn it for the rest of the day. But yeah, overall, I really, really love this scent. I'm super excited to wear this more for like spring and summer, I mean maybe even beyond. It is really, really beautiful. I think that if you love like florals and really beautiful like fruity woodsy scents, then you would really love this. I highly recommend going to you know, the fragrance counter and getting a little sniff of it. I think that a lot of you would really enjoy this one. It's very feminine, very beautiful. Highly recommend. And yeah, I love this one so much. So I think that that is it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to leave a big thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe and share. I would love to know your thoughts. Have you tried this fragrance before? What did you think of it? Also, what type of fragrance do you prefer? I really love florals. So I think that's why I'm really drawn to this, but I do really love like fruity scents and woodsy scents. So I feel like this is everything that I love combined into one beautiful fragrance. But I would love to know, what type of fragrances are you typically drawn to? Also, if you love feminine fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content, make sure you check out my blog, lizzieandlace.com, and feel free to follow me on my pretty pink Instagram at Lizzie and Lace. I'll see you next time. Bye!